While we transition from developing to a developed country, one big question arises. Which state is going to lead India into a rich country status? Now, two names always rise to the top, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. But their success stories couldn't be more different. India needs to grow around 8% a year to become a rich nation by 2047, and only a handful of states even come close. Let's start with Gujarat. It has a population round about the size of Britain but contributes over a quarter of India's exports. It's the land of mega projects, petrochemicals, pharmas, ports, and maybe soon even computer chips. For 20 years, it has built world-class highways and boosted power capacity fivefold. The result? Gujarat's income per person is 60% above India's average. Sounds perfect, right? Not quite. Gujarat is rich, but Gujaratis aren't. 12% still live in multi-dimensional poverty, 5 times more than Tamil Nadu. Why? Because Gujarat's growth model is factory heavy but job light. And its education numbers are weak. Less than half of its youth finish high school. Now jump south to Tamil Nadu. The state grew 11% last year, India's fastest among large states. Apple makes a big chunk of iPhones there. It leads in cars, bikes, electronics, and tech support jobs. But Tamil Nadu's secret weapon isn't highways or incentives, it's people. It has more doctors in primary health centers, twice as many hospital beds as Gujarat. 80% students complete school, one of India's highest records. And almost half of young adults go to college. This investment in human capital pays off. Tamil Nadu has far fewer poor people even though its GDP per person is similar to Gujarat's. And 40% of India's female manufacturing workers are there, powering the electronics boom. The lesson? Hard infrastructure builds growth, but human infrastructure spreads it. If you love simple breakdowns of India's economy and growth stories, hit follow and share this with someone who you think would be intrigued by some information.